Operator precedence in Python determines the order in which operators are evaluated in an expression. It's important to understand operator precedence because it affects the outcome of an expression. Here is a list of operators in Python, in order of precedence, highest to lowest. Parentheses. Exponentiation. Unary plus, minus, plus x, x. Multiplication, division, and floor division, asterisk, ////. Addition and subtraction, plus. Bitwise shifts. Bitwise and. Bitwise XOR, caret. Bitwise OR. Comparison operators equals. Logical not. Logical and. Logical or. When an expression contains operators with the same precedence, they are evaluated from left to right. For example, consider the expression 2 plus 3 by 4. In this case, the multiplication operator, asterisk, has higher precedence than the addition operator, plus, so the expression is evaluated as 2 plus 3 by 4 equals 14. However, if we add parentheses to force the addition to occur before the multiplication, like this 2 plus 3, asterisk 4, then the expression is evaluated as 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So, understanding operator precedence is important to ensure that your expressions are evaluated in the way you intend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.